In this video, I'll show you how to download and install VLC Media Player on your Windows PC or laptop. It's a quick and simple process, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to a search engine. Type in VLC Media Player and look for the official website, videolan.org. Once you're there, click on the Download button for VLC. The download should start automatically within a few seconds. After the download is complete, close your browser and open File Explorer. Go to your Downloads folder and locate the installer file. Double-click it to run the setup. You may see a Windows security prompt. Just proceed with the installation. Click Next through the setup steps. If VLC is already installed, you might see an upgrade option. Otherwise, continue with a fresh install. Wait for the installation to finish. Once done, you can choose to launch VLC Media Player immediately by leaving the option checked. Then click Finish. That's it. You've successfully installed VLC Media Player. You can now use it for playing videos, converting media files, and much more. If this guide helped you, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.